Hey, it's ATIF official. After one full month with the Pixel 9a, I've had enough time to really get to know this phone, its strengths, its quirks, and everything in between. With a starting price tag of just $499, Google positions the Pixel 9a as a budget-friendly option that promises not to skimp on the essentials. But how does it actually hold up in everyday use? Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk through my real-world experience with the Pixel 9a 1 month later. From the surprisingly powerful camera and all of Google's AI features to the occasional performance hiccup and questionable design choices, I'll break down both the pros and cons. Whether you're looking to save some cash or just curious about what a budget Pixel can really do, this review will help you decide if the Pixel 9a is the right phone for you. But before we dive in, a quick plug for the JSL newsletter. I send subscribers a brand new full-resolution wallpaper every week, along with tech deals and fun articles. It's totally free, and the link to subscribe is in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Design and build. Quality first. Let's talk about design. After a month with the Pixel 9a, one thing is clear. It looks and feels way more premium than its price tag suggests. Google borrowed a lot of design cues from its flagship Pixel 9, and it shows. The compact size has been a huge plus for me. It's easy to use one-handed and way more comfortable than today's oversized smartphones. I also love the color options this year. My peony variant is bright, saturated, and full of personality. Now, some people might hear plastic back and immediately dismiss it, but honestly, it hasn't bothered me at all. The aluminum frame gives the phone a solid, premium feel, and since the frame is what you interact with most, the plastic back is a non-issue. I do miss the signature Pixel camera bar. Without it, the back looks a little plain. But on the plus side, there's no camera bump, which is nice. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the bezels. Yes, they're bigger than most phones today, sparking Bezelgate 2.0 complaints. But in real-world use, you stop noticing them after a day or two. Critics love to nitpick, but most haven't even used the phone. After a full month, I can confidently say the Pixel 9a's design is a win. It's a clear upgrade from last year's 8a, and most of the so-called drawbacks just don't matter in daily use. Performance and features. Now, let's talk performance. 1 month in, I'm seriously impressed with how well the Pixel 9a holds up. It's powered by the same Tensor G4 chip as the flagship Pixel 9 and 9 Pro, and it shows. Apps load fast, multitasking is smooth, and animations are fluid. Even gaming is handled with ease, and the phone rarely gets warm. The 120Hz OLED display is gorgeous. Vibrant colors, deep blacks, and perfect for streaming or scrolling. A big upgrade this year is the in-display fingerprint sensor. Unlike the slow, frustrating one on older Pixels, this one is fast and reliable, finally matching flagship quality. Battery life has been solid, easily lasting a full day with 20 to 30% left by bedtime. The only downside? Wireless charging is slow, but that's a minor gripe. AI and software. Of course, one of the Pixel 9a's biggest selling points is Google's Gemini AI. I'm still skeptical about AI as a must-have feature, but some tools are genuinely useful. Circle to Search is great for quick lookups, and Gemini Advanced helps with drafting messages or summarizing articles. The AI photo editing tools like Magic Editor and Magic Eraser are fun and surprisingly effective. They let me tweak photos in seconds without extra apps. While AI isn't a deal-breaker yet, it's clear Google is pushing this as the future, and having these tools on a $499 phone is impressive. Camera quality now. The camera, one of the Pixel 9a's biggest strengths. For a budget phone, the dual camera setup delivers flagship-level photos. The primary sensor captures sharp, vibrant shots with that classic pixel contrast. Even in low light, results are close to the Pixel 9 Pro, hard to tell apart unless you zoom in. Selfies are great too, with natural skin tones and a wider field of view. Portrait mode isn't perfect. Edge detection can be messy, but for most people, it's more than enough. Video quality is good, but not great. 4K footage looks sharp, but it can appear over-processed at times. Still, for the price, it's solid. Final verdict. After a month, the Pixel 9a has proven itself as one of the best value phones you can buy. It's so close to the flagship Pixel 9 in daily use that I'd argue most people should choose this instead. It's $300 cheaper. You get flagship performance, Tensor G4, great 120Hz OLED display, excellent battery life, full AI features, 7 years of updates. Add in the outstanding camera, and the Pixel 9a isn't just a great budget phone, it's one of the most well-balanced smartphones of the year. If you're considering an iPhone 16 instead, I've got a comparison video. Check it out here. But for now, let me know in the comments. Would you pick the Pixel 9a? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.